What's up, Raf Gang? It's Raf in the Raf Cave. Welcome back to another Eats. Now, you saw the thumbnail, right? Giant, massive tray of enchiladas my wife made. Amazing. They're chicken and delicious. It's wonderful. We had some company over last night, so I devoured all that, but I couldn't do the video because the company was over. But I have a second serving for the next day. I want to show you guys specifically. Look at this amazing tray right here, guys. Beautiful enchiladas, refried beans, amazing Mexican rice, some lime, guacamole, with some salsa, with some sour cream. It's so good right there. So, and of course, wonderful beverage here. Without further ado, guys, let's eat. Ooh, having the rice. So good. Refried beans. Spectacular. Digging into the enchiladas here. A little sour cream on there. A little guac. Delicious, cheesy goodness. Some of that in there, some salsa, some guac. Look at that delicious bite, guys. Just for you guys, right there. Explosion. Just spread this sour cream over here. A little salsa on top. A little guac on there. And just eat. Second serving. Clean them up. Absolutely awesome, guys. Loved every bite. Enchiladas for my beautiful wife. Loved. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers to you. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, share to see the next Raf Eats video. Home theater rules.